My name is Dennis Aseto. Our sign language interpreter is Meresha Owiti, and this is Weekend Prime. We are streaming live on standardmedia.co.ke and on our YouTube channel as well. Engage us on our social media platforms at KTN News KE, at KTN Home _ at Dennis Aseto. Our hashtag is Weekend Prime, and off to our top story today. Now, President William Ruto has directed Interior Cabinet Secretary Professor Kithure Kindiki to take stern action on people behind the Sondu deadly clashes that has claimed the lives of 7 people over the last 2 days. Preliminary reports indicate that the clashes could have been triggered by conflict in revenue collection, with county officials from both Kisumu and Kericho claiming the town belongs to them. The president issued a stern warning, even as political leaders from both counties trading blame over the violence. Clement Masombo reports.
As residents of Sondu town that borders Kisumu and Kericho counties continue living in perpetual fear over their safety, President William Ruto for the first time has spoken on the issue, warning criminals behind the skirmishes that their days are numbered. Speaking on day 1 of his tour of Nyanza region, the president ordered Interior CS Professor Kithure Kindiki to take action against culprits instigating the violence. At least 10 people have been killed in the flare-up.
Hatutaki mambo ya ujinga ya ukabila. Sisi tunaishi Kenya moja. Na serikali ya Kenya ni serikali ya kila Mkenya.
The president said he wants the police to deal with the culprits in the skirmishes the same way they have dealt with those involved in cattle rustling and terror attacks.
Kuna watu wanaturudisha nyuma na kulete vita kati ya jamii na kati ya majirani. Nishamwambia Profesa Kithure Kindiki, vile tumewakalia wale wa North Rift, vile tunawakalia Al-Shabaab, hawa watu wa Sondu hapa watakiona cha mtema kuni.
And we say that the 2 counties of Kisumu and Kericho can benefit by working together through business and trade, because all of us, because of the Lake region economic bloc, and as a region we want to call for peace in our 14 counties that are in the Lake region.
Politicians from the 2 counties of Kericho and Kisumu continue to throw blame at each other over the clashes.
Na wanajulikana, your security team, your intelligence, your NIS people, wanajua ni hao ni nani. Because you should ask yourself, how many boundaries do we share with the people of Kisumu?
Tafadhalini wa Kenya, taifa letu tunapenda na tunapenda serikali yetu, tuzidi kudumisha amani.
I feel sad because when people are killed, their families have a lot. So I want to ask our people to live peacefully. We have even intermarried. So I don't know where this problem is coming from.
Just yesterday, leaders from Nyanza region blamed their Kericho counterparts over the flare-up, calling for action against those inciting violence.
The people behind this violence and mayhem must be identified, arrested, and made to account for their actions. These attacks are unacceptable and must come to an end. They paint a picture of a nation that is losing the battle to gangs and terrorists.
The minister in charge of internal security would have gone to the scene to go and see what is happening. The fact that they are all silent and business as usual tells you that there's something that they know that other Kenyans don't know.
By Thursday, at least 7 people had been reported dead as a result of the attacks. There have been calls by the National Cohesion and Integration Commission (NCIC) and political leaders for relevant government agencies to calm the situation at the border town. Clement Masombo, KTN News.
And as Standard Media, we equally call for peace